Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Devi again, and I would like to thank you for the awesome job you guys are doing for subscribing, liking and commenting on my videos, and doing that really helps me build my channel, and I would like to really appreciate that. So in this short video I just want to look at TRONEX. This thing is growing like crazy guys. I don't know where it is heading in the next couple of weeks. If we are to look at I just took out some funds a few minutes ago, but already I have 54 Tron here. The contract balance is growing like crazy. We have over 300 million Tron in the contract, and it is paying 31.2% daily. So this is crazy guys. So this means that you can break even in just in under 4 days. It means that you can break even in under 4 days. There is a calculator here. If I'm to look at it, it is here. Let us take an example. If you put in 1000 Tron, you can see when can we get 1000 back. You see here, in 3 days you'll be having 939. In 4 days 1254. So let's say that in 4 days you're getting your capital out and the rest are just profit. So this thing is, I don't know, I'm lost of words guys, because the way it is growing. So let me look at my statistics here. In this account I've so far invested 3,596 Tron, and see what I've earned guys. See my referral rewards. My first team has got 62 members, followed by 79 in second level, and third level 48. So people, actually the people whom I've told about this opportunity, some of them they insisted that it is a hype, they can't, it will fall within a day, and some joined at that very moment and others are also joining. So it is crazy guys. Come join and we make Tron together. So if we are to look at and the depositing is easy guys. You just come to deposit, you put in the amount here that you want to deposit, you click on the deposit button. It takes you to, let me just put it 10,000 Tron. It will take me to my wallet where I'll confirm the payment. So I'm not going to confirm it because I don't have that in the wallet as now, but that's, so if this 10,000 Tron is there in the wallet, just press accept and it will make the payment. And another thing also that we can talk of this is that you can know when this thing is going down, because the way people are funding into it, it makes it stronger. You can just imagine 300 million Tron in the contract, yet it is paying currently 31%. So you can see. So the more people put into that in the fund, the more it is going to pay high rewards. So you might find that in some days to come, people will be getting their capital out in just 2 days. That is very possible. This thing has come a long way from 1% up to 31%. That is so awesome. And when the money in the contract starts going out, this daily profit will also decrease. So that makes it better to follow up on your strategies, how you can get your money out. So that's it. As long as the money is increasing in the contract, I give you a go ahead to make your deposits. If it is going out of the contract, don't make deposits. Just so that the thing is going down. That's my review about it. So I'm leaving my link in the description of the video. You can join me if you want. And also I have some tutorials. I've been making some tutorials. You guys can follow them. They are also in the description, and also the link to the Telegram channel. It is very active and people are very helpful there. So that's all I had for today in this short video. TRONEX, 31.1% as we speak right now. So that's all I had. See you guys in the next video.